Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are planning to prepare for CSIR-NET Life Sciences and you are confused about how to start, what to study first, and how to prepare professionally, then this video is for you. Many students fail in CSIR-NET not because they are weak, but because they do not follow a clear and structured strategy. In this video, I will explain CSIR-NET Life Sciences Preparation 2025 model, step by step, in a simple and practical way, so that any beginner can understand and start confidently. What is CSIR-NET Life Sciences? CSIR-NET is a national-level competitive exam conducted by NTA. Life Sciences is one of the most popular subjects in CSIR-NET, especially for students from Zoology, Botany, Biotechnology, Microbiology, Biochemistry, and Life Sciences backgrounds. Clearing CSIR-NET helps you to become eligible for JRF. Apply for PhD. Get assistant professor eligibility. Build a strong research career. Understanding the syllabus. CSIR-NET Life Sciences syllabus has multiple units, including cell biology, molecular biology, biochemistry, genetics, developmental biology, physiology, ecology, evolution, immunology, biotechnology, methods in biology. You do not need to master all units equally. Smart preparation means selecting important units, building strong concepts, practicing previous year questions. Which units to start first? For beginners, always start with high-weight core units. Recommended order: cell biology, molecular biology, biochemistry, genetics, immunology, developmental biology. These units are interconnected and form the foundation of CSIR-NET Life Sciences. Once these units are strong, Part C becomes much easier. Part-wise preparation strategy. Part A strategy. Part A should not be ignored. Practice basic mathematics, logical reasoning, data interpretation. Spend 15 to 20 minutes daily. Consistency is enough. Part B strategy. Part B tests, definitions, pathways, diagrams, basic experimental concepts. Focus on concept clarity, understanding diagrams, linking topics. Part C strategy, most important. Part C questions are analytical, experiment-based, research-oriented. To master Part C, understand why, not just what. Learn experimental logic, practice data-based questions, analyze previous year questions deeply. Part C preparation should start from day one, not at the end. Study material strategy. Do not collect too many books. Follow this rule. Right finger one concept, one source, multiple questions. Use NCERT for basics. One standard reference book per unit. Previous year question book. Avoid frequently changing resources. Role of previous year questions. Previous year questions are the most important resource for CSIR-NET. CSIR-NET repeats concepts, question patterns, thinking style, correct approach. Study a topic. Solve previous year questions. Analyze mistakes. Improve understanding. Do not use PYQs only as tests. Use them as learning tools. Note-making strategy. Make short, exam-oriented notes. Your notes should include flowcharts, diagrams, pathways, key experiments, one-page summaries. Avoid writing everything from textbooks. Notes are for revision, not for decoration. Study Plan 2025 Model. If you have 12 months, first 6 months, concept building. Next 4 months, PYQs and revision. Last 2 months, mock tests and analysis. If you have 6 months, first 4 months, core units plus PYQs. Last 2 months, revision plus mock tests. Study daily and consistently. Even 6 to 8 focused hours per day are enough. Mock tests and analysis. Mock tests are useful only if you analyze them properly. After every test, identify weak areas. Revise concepts. Improve time management. Avoid repeating mistakes. Quality of analysis is more important than the number of tests. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes. Studying all units equally. Ignoring Part C. Memorizing without understanding. Changing books frequently. Comparing your journey with others. Final message. CSIR-NET Life Sciences is not impossible. With clear concepts, smart unit selection, regular previous year question practice, consistent revision, you can definitely clear CSIR-NET or even JRF. Start today, stay consistent, trust the process. Thank you for watching. If this video added value to your CSIR-NET Life Sciences preparation, please like, share, and subscribe for more structured and concept-based guidance. See you in the next video.